Hey guys, welcome back to the Southern Rustic. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for Korean black bean noodles. They are absolutely delicious and I'm so excited to be sharing this recipe with you. So let's get right on into the ingredients and we'll start cooking. Okay guys, first off you're going to need noodles. Now you can use fresh noodles if you want, but these are the noodles that I have on hand. These are just dried flour noodles. This is 2 servings right here. You're going to need sugar, about a tablespoon of sugar. You're going to need cabbage. This is about 1/4 of a cabbage. Just thinly slice it. This is Napa cabbage, but if you don't have Napa cabbage, you can certainly use regular green cabbage. 1 onion, 3 green onions that's been just diced, chopped. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of ginger and about 3 cloves of garlic minced. You're going to need cucumber. Now a lot of people use cucumber to top this with, so that's what I'm going to do, is just top it with a cucumber. You're going to need 1 pound of pork, and it's just been diced. This is 1/2 of a zucchini, just cut into matchsticks. This is cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. Just mix that together. This is 1/3 of a cup of bean paste. And you're going to need rice cooking wine. Also, you can cook fried egg with this and just top it over the top of the finished dish, and you're good to go. So that's all of the ingredients. Let's get right on into cooking. Okay guys, I have my pan heating up. It's going to go on medium-high heat. If you have a wok, you can use that. I don't have a wok, so I'm just using cast iron. So just heat this over medium-high heat, and when it gets hot, you're going to go ahead and add in your pork. You're going to cook this until it is completely cooked through and nice and golden brown. Okay guys, now that we've got this all brown, if you don't have much oil in the pan, you can go ahead and add a little bit. Maybe about a tablespoon. Then you're going to add in your garlic and ginger. And the green onion. Just give that a toss. Now add in your bean paste. You're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 2 minutes. Now you're going to add in 1/4 cup of rice wine. I'm going to let this cook just until all of the alcohol evaporates. About a minute or 2. Okay. Now add in your stock. This is 1 cup of chicken stock. Your onions. This is 1 onion cubed. your Napa cabbage. This is about 3 leaves of cabbage, or a 1/4 cup of green cabbage. And your zucchini. This is a 1/2 of a zucchini, just cut into matchsticks. You're going to need about a tablespoon of sugar. Now you're just going to toss this to combine it, and you're going to let this cook for 15 minutes. In the meantime, you can go ahead and boil your pasta water, get your pasta going, and you can also cook your fried egg. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes. Now we're just going to add in our cornstarch and give it a stir before you add it in. And then just cook it till it thickens. It shouldn't take long. About a minute. You can go ahead and cut your heat off. And you are good to go. All we got to do now is plate it up and we're ready to go. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to plate it. So what I've done was drain my noodles and rinse them under cold water. And you're just going to take some noodles, put them in your bowl. And you're going to top it with your black bean mixture. Add a little bit of cucumber. And your egg. And a little bit of sesame seeds. A little bit of sesame oil. And you're ready to go, guys. Okay guys, doesn't that look delicious? So we are just going to take a bite. Let's mix it up real quick. Okay guys, I've got it all well mixed. Let's try a bite. That is absolutely delicious. Alright guys, that is going to be it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Hit that little red subscribe button down below and be part of the family here at the Southern Rustic. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.